like my new bike, my new electric bike from electricbikeparadise.com.
What kind of features does it have?
It has a horn, has a nice basket in the front, it has light.
Let's see that light. Oh, there it is.
Lots of other nice features, but the biggest one is I don't have to pedal as much. I can pedal if I want to assist, or I can just go electric.
I like the basket holder on the back too.
Yeah, that would be good if I do some unexpected shopping along the way.
Okay, so you like your bike from electricbikeparadise.com, huh?
Yep, works good.
If you want reliable bikes at a low guaranteed price, hop on to Paradise now. Visit us at electricbikeparadise.com, buy your dream bike on our website, and join our family of satisfied customers. We will ship your bike for free and give you exclusive promos and freebies.